today we had amazing event, Sanxia Light Trail, and we experienced a beautiful mountain view and also some old streets. Workshop how to create indigo DI, so I find it really interesting and amazing day so far.
I really love to join this event today because I can meet a lot of friends from different countries, and also I love the nature, I love the outdoor activities, so I love it.
Very happy today because the sun is so bright and we had an amazing tour. We had mountain climbing, we had a picnic. I'm really happy with the way this event turned out.